Hello there, Brizzler here. We gonna learn how to make a basic navbar using HTML and CSS. First of all, we need a header element, inside that a logo, and a list of links. Now move on to the styling. For all elements, margin 0, padding 0. After that, applying display flex will make the logo and links to be displayed in the same line. After that, giving some padding, so that they cannot just stick to the sides. Now applying display flex, in unordered list elements, so that links can be displayed in one line. Now giving them a certain amount of width, so that we can split links apart. Just changing the font family of logo, so it should look like a logo. And now you're all done. Here's your basic and good looking navbar. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button.